In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your calendar effectively using Outlook. Whether you're trying to juggle multiple appointments or planning a meeting, Outlook's calendar feature can be an incredible ally in keeping you organized and on top of your schedule. Let's dive in and explore how you can streamline your daily plans with just a few clicks. To get started, open your Outlook application. Once you're in, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a variety of icons representing the different features within Outlook, such as your mail, contacts, and of course, the calendar. Go ahead and click on the calendar icon. This will take you to your personalized calendar view, where you can see your schedule at a glance. Next, to add a new appointment or meeting, you'll want to focus your attention on the top left section of the screen. Here, you'll see an option labeled New Event. This is your gateway to creating a new entry in your calendar. By clicking on New Event, you open up a template that allows you to input all the vital information related to your meeting or appointment. Now that you have your new event window open, you'll need to fill in the details. Here, you'll set the date and time for your event. It's a straightforward process. Simply select the day from the calendar picker and then specify the start and end times for your appointment. Remember, being precise with these details is crucial to avoid any scheduling conflicts. While you're in this window, take advantage of the reminder feature. Setting reminders is an excellent way to ensure you're prepared for your appointments. You can choose how soon before the event you'd like to be reminded, whether it's weeks in advance or just a few minutes before. Sometimes keeping appointments to yourself just won't cut it, especially when organizing meetings. If you need to involve others, Outlook makes it easy to share your calendar or invite attendees directly from this window. You'll notice options to invite attendees or share calendar, which enable you to send invitations or share your calendar view with colleagues or friends. Simply enter the email addresses of the people you'd like to invite, and they will receive a notification with all the details they need to join or be aware of the event. As you can see, Outlook's calendar feature is designed with user-friendliness in mind, making it a powerful tool for anyone looking to maintain a smooth and organized schedule. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering the art of time management with Outlook. Thanks for tuning in, and happy scheduling.